morning to everyone. My name is Durgashini, daughter of Vishwanathan. Today, I'm going to talk about an innovation project that my team is working on. Team name Physics. Team leader Durgashini Annapurpan Vishwanathan. Team members Kaushalya Annapurpan Thayalan. Gui Yishwan is Diana Sofia binti Samzo. School details. School name SMK Datuk Bendahara, District Jasin, State Malacca. Problem: how to create an eco-friendly lunchbox that keeps food fresh for hours without using electricity. Solution. Types of solution: materials, insulation, design, eco-friendly features. Materials. Use safe, eco-friendly materials like bamboo or recycled plastic. Glue. Cost: 20 ringgit Malaysia. Insulation. Add a double layer wall with natural insulation like cork to keep food warm or cold. Design. Make it with separate, leak-proof sections and a strong lid that can also be used as a plate. Sketch. Eco-friendly features. Make it reusable, easy to clean and long-lasting to reduce waste. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share the video.